picture niya. So mga ka-Jimbori, I was supposed to go to Victoria Line. Sumakay po ako ng 390 kasi parati naman yan doon pumupunta. Bakit kaya hindi sila pwedeng pumunta doon? Nandito kami, iniwan kami dito. Iniwan kami dito sa ano, University of London Hospital. Ito, 73 to. Hindi naman ito pupunta doon. Oh. Hindi naman to pupunta doon. Bakit kaya, Victoria? Bakit ayaw nila mag-ano? Ayan, puro 73. Ayan, 390. Ayan, 390. Archway. How come Archway? Are you coming to Victoria Line? Are you coming to Victoria Line?
Sorry, we paid in the front of that bus.
No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't
But
matter.
that day, how many times we said? So how many times we have to pay?
Listen, you've got to listen to what I'm saying.
Yeah.
When you jump on a bus, it's a must for you to tap. But once at the case, you understand that? Even if you're on that one, it is the same as this, right?
Oh, this way, yeah.
Where you have to tap.
I don't know my friend. Are you going to Bob Lodge?
Marble up, yes.
Yeah.
Are you coming
Yes,
to...
just turn us.
Harbour Selfridge.
Yes, Bob Lodge. She's got our card.
Thank you.
I don't know my
Are you coming to Victoria Line?
Victoria.
Choice,
We are going to Victoria.
Ah, sa Victoria? Are you going to go Victoria Station?
Victoria Station.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, you're going to go. Okay. Thank you.
He has thrown us off the other bus.
Sorry?
He has thrown us off that bus.
Why are they doing that? They're going to go to Victoria. It's supposed to be going to go directly to the Victoria Station. Why they just stop over here in Warren Street? Oh,
I thought it was wrong.
what happened? There's something wrong. This Victoria 390 is stupid. Jesus.
είναι κακή η σχέση που χτίζουν τώρα έτσι και οι μικροί άνθρωποι τρελοί, αυτοί να είναι τρελοί, να γίνονται πιο τρελοί. Ναι. Καλύτερα να χωρίσουνε, δεν το πιλατεύουνε. Το βλέπει, να το δει και μόνος του. Άρα, πόσο χρόνια είναι μαζί? 23 χρόνια μαζί. Τίποτα τώρα, πολύ ωραία. Δεν θα φτιάξει αυτό. Έτσι, όταν φτάνει έσχος ο πόλη και το πόλη. Θα απλά θα μιζεριάσει και ο αδερφός σου κάπου. Εντάξει, κάνε τα παιδιά, μεγαλώσαν. Αυτά στα χέρια μου σε καφετέρειες και τέτοια. Το ξέρω πολύ καλά, γιατί μου είχαν ρωτήσει, όλοι θέλουν να είναι, ξέρεις, να φαίνεται, γιατί αν τύχει κάτι δεν θες απόδειξη ο άλλος, καταλαβες. Άσε που τώρα προς το παρόν, αλλά σίγουρα θα έχω πελάτες εκείνη τη μέρα που χορευτώ. Θα το κρατήσω είτε για την ξεκούρασή μου και την προετοιμασία μου, είτε για να βάζω κόσμο να τα εξτραβάκια, ναι βέβαια, γιατί μπορώ να κάνω skin boosters, αυτά για τα μάτια. Εντάξει, δεν σου λέω χείλη που θέλω άλλο φωτισμό και κρεβάτι, αλλά είναι άλλα πράγματα που μπορώ να τα κάνω. Καλά, η Ελένη είναι...
Dorchester Hotel.
Ναι, ναι. Ναι, εντάξει. Αλλά καμιά φορά μπορεί να γίνει και το μάτς. Π.χ. η Πελέ έκανε το αντίθετο, θέλει να τα κάνει όλα. Της λέει, δεν τα χρειάζεσαι όλα. Δεν τα κάνει όλα στο πρώτο. Λίγο, τόσο όσο. Όχι, πάρα, βάλε. Εγώ δεν σου βάζω. Να ήταν φίλοι όλοι μαζί με τις οικογένειές τους, όπως κανόνες όλοι μαζί.
Isang oras na ako.
Diyan na itong resto.
Napaka-traffic. Para akong papuntang airport. Para akong nasa Pasay papuntang airport. International. Grabe yung traffic.
Ειδικά τώρα τόσα χρόνια και έχει αυτό το χαρακτήρα δηλαδή. Σεβασμός με ναι, το θυμάμαι, το κάπες, που είπε στον αδερφό σου ότι είστε εσείς, η επόμενα του. Η επόμενα του θα παίρνει μόνα της, δεν θα παίρνει αυτή. Πώς της έχει φύγει έτσι στο μυαλό. Άρρωστο μία με τη γυμναστική, μία με τις φωτογραφίες, λες και είναι 15 χρόνια.
Isang oras na ako.
Τώρα φεύγει και αυτό στο χρόνο του για να τα επαναφέρει όλα αυτά. Όχι, ενώ να επαναφέρει φίλος και αυτά, γιατί και φίλοι άμα τους πλάνεις και συνέχεια, ναι, λέει ατεριά το πόλο. Όχι, δεν σημαίνει ότι κάνεις οικογένεια το αυτό και δεν μπορείς να συνεχίσεις να έχεις μια φιλία που αξίζει, κατάλαβες. Θα μπορούσε να ήταν φίλοι όλοι μαζί με τις οικογένειές τους, όπως κανόνες όλοι με έναν κόσμο.
Isang oras na ako. Hi mga ka-chimbody. I left in the house 3 o'clock and then ang sabi is supposed to be we ride at 3:90. Dire-diretso na yun papuntang Victoria Station. Pangatlong bus ko na to sa transfer. Pangatlo rin ako nagbayad. Ang sabi ng isang driver, mag-transfer ka lang sa bus, no pay at all. Tapos, edi nagsakay kami ulit. Pagsakay ko ulit, nakita ko na naman, nagbayad, nagpampap na naman ako. Tapos itong last na to na bus na to, tarantadong tao na to na driver. Nagtanong lang ako sa kanya na maganda kung pupunta ba siya ng bus ng Victoria Station. Kasi ang sabi kanina doon sa una at saka sa pangalawa, diretso. Pero na-over yata sila ng oras. Kaya ito na yan itong gago na to. Nagtanong lang ako sa kanya kung diretso ng dadaan siya ng Victoria Station. Sinigawan niya ako. Maganda ba yun? Lumaban na ako sa kanya. Ang sabi, huwag daw mag-pump up ng card. Pinapampad niya ako. Tapos sinigawan niya ako na ilang beses pa kita din na sinabi na pupunta doon, mag-pump up ka ng card mo. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, be nice to your customer. Tarantado siya. Kung anong pangit ng mukha niya, ganun din ang pangit ng ugali niya. Alam mo. Hindi ko nga lang yan siya pipituan ko yan siya mga katsimbori. Pinainit niya ulo niya. Mainit ang ulo niya kasi ang daming tao. Plus ang mga ulan pa. Wala naman pakialam din. Dapat maging mapait ka sa tao. Diba? May araw din. Hindi siya mapait. Pupunta ako ng simbahan, hindi na ako hindi na ako makaabot ng mas kalahati na kasi sa mga ginagawa nila hayop na itong mga tao na to. Kaya ay ako, maging masaya ka na lang, Chimbori. So mga ka-Chimbori at tayo tao kasi ang muulan. So, Nag-start na minsan, hindi na ako makapasok. Simba muna ako mga katsimbody. Hindi na ako nakapagsimba eh. Mamaya ulit. Pero okay lang. Pagdasal ko na lang siya mga katsimbody. Pinagdasal ko po kayo. Katatapos lang ng misa po. 5 o'clock. Isang oras po. Kasi hindi po ako nakapagsimba sa 3 weeks na ata. Ito ang pinakasimba. Tipot in the center. I think they make a wish. Dadaling ko dito si Kulot. So mga katsimbori, wala akong nabili. Kasi ako ang mamahal. Uwi na lang ako kasi magsi-7 na. So by that time na nandun ako sa bus, baka magkasama pa kami ng asawa ko 8 o'clock. Sana, hopefully. Bago pa umulan ulit. Uwi na ako. So, see you mga katsimbori sa bahay. Thank you for watching.
Easy day?
We meet again. We met again at the bus. Went to the church.
Oh, I thought you were taking a fish.
That's what I'm doing like this.
Chimbori na nagkakita na chimbori.
Today is Thursday. Umiyak ako.
Almost Friday.
Almost Friday. Umiyak ako. I hope I'm gonna be okay tomorrow. We're waiting for our pizza. Tonight, our food is pizza. Yeah. How was your day today?
Me? It was okay. It was nice and quiet. I mean, I was in
Your
the...
hair is curly.
It was busy. I was on the phone. I was doing the agent, so I was have a busy day. But taking my break all the time, so it's okay.
Oh, shout out ka dyan. You say shout out to...
Shout out my Chakamaka Shimburi.
No, shout out to the people that you know. Like Kaluds.
Hello!
Shout out to
Oh.
our little farm. Shout out to
Hello,
CTC
Pandora.
channel.
Lane Tortilla.
Lin Tortilla.
CCTV. I mean...
Oh, yeah, CCTV.
CCTV. Papa Junjung. I mean...
Daddy Yankee. Lakas ng...
Calabandera Reyes.
Kawanderang Reyes.
Oh, Cabandera Reyes, la Casa Blanca, la Casa Negra, la Casa Azul, la Casa Roja.
Saka si Jerome Asinio. Si Mama Pandora.
Mama Pandora, Mama Pa.
Si Ma'am Evelyn Villanueva, si Daddy Roger, si
Pandora,
Mami
Mama Tonto.
Evelyn.
All the chicken and the piggy in the house.
And the
Casey, the abusadora. Casey, the abusadora. Abusadora.
You saw her this morning, what he's doing? You saw her in Facebook, I should show it to you. Pandora.
This morning,
Yeah, after while we eating, she riding in the...
oh, you showed me the picture. That was yesterday.
No, yesterday.
Yeah.
Together with her daughter in there. Hi, nice guys!
You know what she gonna do later?
No.
She gonna send the piggy to tell the boy to the school.
Hi, nice guy. I hope you get well soon, Ate. Ate Pandora. Ayun.
Oh, he can go to school in the cow. The cow turn around and come back.
Shout out to Tita Au and Kuya Word Official. Shout out to Tatay Wilfredo Erta, to my bunso Lyri Kayanyan, and kay Jenny Erta. Ayun, good luck sa inyong reels na dalawa, and kay paring OC TV, kay Trupang Junjun, kay Liam ko. Liam, malaki ka na. Ayun, hindi ka na iyakin. Ayan, love you, Liam. Kay Mads, Mian, at saka kay paring Jerf. Ayan, I miss you, Parikoy. At saka kay Ate Fiona, at saka sa wife mo, paring Jerf. Ayan, at saka kay Kabugs TV, kay Yankis Marites Ganda, at saka kay Marites Ganda. Ayan. At happy birthday nga pala, belated kay mama ni Yankis Marites Ganda. Ayan. At saka kay...
Baby, why you not give me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. Why you just a mimic in the middle?
And shoutout nga pala kay Ma'am Grace Sweet Channel, amping-amping da, putukan tayo everyday.
Call me when you want, call me when you need, call me in the morning, I'll be on my way.
Oh, see? I have my stuff, but I forgot. So, we're waiting for our pizza.
Pizza Hut. It's too hot.
Pizza Hut. O baka naman, Pizza Hut. Sponsor. Baka naman. Mega shoutout to... Who else? Shoutout.
Shout out to why you don't give me love. I need it, give me love.
Namimiss niya na talaga mga kachimburi kumanta, mag-live. Ayan. Kagabi sabi niya sa akin, we're going to continue live yung sabi niya. At saka, nilagay ko na nga pala yung ano ko, yung ano tawag ba dun? Yung bank account number ko. So, we'll see. We're waiting for 3 days. Kasi ang sabi, ilagay ko daw yung...
Finally, chika na get paid.
I hope so.
After 2 years.
3 years? After... Alam niyo mga kachimburi, sa totoo lang talaga. Namonetize ako. After ng monetization ko, 4 days lang, nakuha ko na yung Google AdSense ko. Pagkatapos ng Google AdSense ko, nag-apply kami ng Tropang Junjun ng ng form nga para makuha ko na yung pera ko kasi nag-over na siya ng 60. Ngayon, ang nangyari, ang tagal na, almost 3 months, 4 months na ata, na naka-pending lang doon yung sahod ko kasi itong asawa ko, akala niya is tama yung pag-fill up ng form. But the problem is, tama nga naman, pero nagkamali lang siya talaga doon yung mga kachimburi ko sa... Alam niyo yung card, mayroong pangalan, may bank number doon, di ba? Yung user code number ba yun na 4 digits. Tapos, ilalagay mo doon yung 8 digits na yun. Yung sa asawa ko, nilagay niya is 10. Nilagay pa niya yung the last 2 numbers doon. So, it's supposed to be that.
They couldn't pay me my bank account. It's too big. The number is too many.
Hindi dapat yun. Dapat yung 8 digits lang. Yung
Mine is 10
4 na... Wala 4 core number. Yeah. And then nag 8 digits. So, bali, sa kakalagay... Yeah. Sa kakalagay namin almost every day, na-block talaga siya. Na-block yung bangko niya. So, hindi namin yun alam until na hindi kami nagpunta doon sa Google Center. Kasi sinasabi sa amin, if you have a problem to do Lala.
Thank you.
Wala. Please naman ang ano.
You like this almost garlic sauce.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Ayan. So, andyan na. So, sana mga kachimburi, hopefully, in 3 days, Monday, matatapos na namin yung ano. This is not ours, right? Thank you. So, bali yan siguro mga kachimburi. So, abang-abang na lang tayo kasi pauwi na kami. Ayan na ang pizza. Ayan. Pizza ang lunch, ang dinner namin.
We Italian
So,
tonight. We Italian.
Wait.
Sa la pizzeria.
So, maglalakad lang kami kasi malapit lang naman ang bahay namin. So, you need to put something plastic for that if you want to. No, it's for food. Huh? 3 garlic.
Oh, I'm gonna take the picture and send it to the people. You're gonna be jealous. I'm gonna tell it. Veggie Supremo. We garlic crush.
So, balik-balik lang kami mga kachimbori. Ayan, super saya niya mga kachimbori. Kasi, ayan, may pizza kami. Alam mo mga kachimbori, 10 o'clock na dito. But, we're hungry. And pumunta nga pala ako sa church kanina. So, alam ko maging masaya yung pinagdasal ko kayong lahat, mga kachimbori. Alam niyo ba yun? Tapos, pinagdasal ko rin yung mga taong umapi sa akin for today. Pinaiyak nila ako sa... So, pinaiyak nila ako doon sa simbahan. May isang Pilipina doon na nagpaiyak sa akin.
You want to cross here or
Go that way? Or we're going to wait?
to go like this? Or
No. We're going to go like this. Wow, honey. Diyos ko, yung asawa ko kahit naka-red lights, lakad pa rin siya. Ayan.
Okay, police traffic man.
Da.
Cone.
Oh, stop it! Uy! Oh my God, honey.
There is no way to the pizza when you stop.
The school? Hey, that school. I apply online on that. I hope they're going.
History teacher.
No, I'm not going to
When
be.
Ferdinand Fernando, Marco Fernando lead the goal, went to Spain, and the goal is still in Spain, and they don't know where they are.
He's happy because he had the pizza.
Pizza, pizza, pizzarone. Pizza, pizza, pizzarone.
Ang gwapo ng asawa ko, di ba? Ang gwapo ni Kulot.
Guapito, guapito.
Wapito, wapito. Wapito. Ayan. Doon kami galing mga katsini. Yeah. You can know your shoes. It's not gonna be. Yeah. Oh, sorry, Baba. Natamaan ko yung paa niya. Hindi ka na siya madapa. Ang dilim, di ba, mga katsibot? Pero lahat yan may ano. May ano tawag ba doon? May camera lahat yan, mga katsimbori. Ayan, camera yan. Doon sa taas camera.
Makachimbori, we miss you. We're coming back live next year.
And papunta pala doon, mga katsimbori, yung way na yan, papunta yan doon sa university. May university, there's a university over there that way also.
That's where they live.
Oh, that's the way they live. Where's the university then?
It's accommodation, wherever they want to go.
Oh, okay.
It's just the accommodation.
Oh, mali pala yung ano ko, information ko. That's an apartment, something not for the student.
There by the, where you was the other day, by the stadium, by the
Oh, you can connect that one?
Metropolitan.
Oh, you can walk that one to over there? From here?
It's the pain. This is just the accommodation. If they over there, they go there, or they go to my,
Yeah.
to my
There's a student also over there because,
it's to my hospital over there.
yeah.
Usually, most of the people here, they just go over there.
Oh, in your hospital, where you working? Oh. How I wish I can find my job.
You what?
How I wish I can find right then and then the job.
Where?
Wherever.
It's just everywhere. It depends. People, the Swiss people don't find joy because they want to do what they want.
Yeah.
When you want to work, you do whatever is available.
Yeah, but where I can find a job because everything is in online. Before there's no online, it's fine. You know, you can go over there, ask, what is that? Honey, there's something over there. Something in the... Ayan ang asawa ko, ang bilis maglakad. Oh. Iniiwanan niya lang talaga ako. Kasi, I think he's really hungry. Hey, stop it!
Sorry, Makachimbori, I'm in a rush.
He's hungry, I think so. Oh. Huh? Yeah, it's getting colder now at night. Ayan. ito yung part ng building ng bahay namin. Tapos, ayan, kung gusto mo magpatato ka dyan sa Blink. Ayan. Tapos, ito is Chinese, maybe parang Chinese massage. Ganyan. Sorry, honey, you don't have, you want me to buy you drinks? Okay, that's fine. So, mga kachimbori, we're already in the house. This is our door. And I'm going to close that one. And kung sino dito ang nakatira, yan lang ang makaspas dito. Kasi may kanya-kanya kami bawat isang susi. Yan, nagbukas na yung asawa ko. Yan. Tapos yung nasa taas na yun is somebody have people over there. And look at that. Ta-da! So, andito na kami. Can I open the door? Sandali lang mga kachimbori. Kasi, open ko para mag-ano yung ano ba? Ayan, may visitor ka na naman. I hate that. Alam niyo mga kachimbori, nilalangaw kami. Hindi namin alam kung saan pumapasok ng langaw. May isa siyang visitor. Tawag namin dyan visitor. Ayan. So mga kachimbori, abang-abang lang kung anong kaganapan for tonight. Magbibihis lang ako. And thank you for... babalik ako. Our dinner. Pizza. Ayan. Nagsiselebrate kami ng kagalingan namin. Sana everything will be fine. Ayan. Thank you mga kachimbori. Ayan. So mga kachimbori, magaling na talaga ako kasi pati mata ko is fine. Ayun. May bisita kami. Shoutout to mega shoutout to sis LB Moyko. Ayan, magaling na po ako and thank you so much sa pag-worry mo sa akin. I'm okay, 100% feel better and thank you, magaling na rin sa akin si Kulot. Nakikipaghabulan siya sa langaw. Hindi pala langaw, bangaw. Ayan. Kasi pagbukas namin ng pintuan namin, kadarating lang namin. Siguro yung nasa taas kasi bukas yung bintana nila kaya pumasok dito sa amin. Isa! Ayan. Sis LB Moyko, nananawagan ako sa iyo. Patayin mong langaw dito. Paano ba pagpatay? Si Kulot. Hala! Huy! Honey! Didn't see anything. Naka-brief lang siya mga kachimbori. What are you doing? Come on, we're gonna eat. You're gonna be dirty. Your hands is going to be dirty. We're going to kill that one later. Maghahabulan kami.
Behind there.
Maghahabulan kami ng langaw. Yun, i-upload. Ayan, magaling-galing na ako mga kachimbori. Kaso lang hindi ako mapag-live kasi may dance line akong bukas. So, itadakimasu. Lumamig na yung ano namin. Yung... Honey? Lumamig na yung ano natin, yung garlic. Ay, yung garlic. Ayan. So, we're gonna pray. Lord, thank you so much, Lord, for the new blessing, new evening, and new healthy body and healthy life. And thank you at magaling na po ako. And thank you, magaling na rin ang asawa ko. And thank you sa lahat-lahat ng mga biyayang binigyan mo sa amin and sa pag-guide mo sa amin. Thank you in Jesus Christ. Amen. Ayun. Magaling na ako. Ayan. Kasi nagsimba ako. Humingi ako kay Lord na tulungan niya ako na bumalik yung sigla ko. Itadakimasu. So, we have a garlic bread. Kailangan namin yan kasi, ayan, lumamig na siya, honey ko. Let's eat mga kachimbori. Magbumukbang ako ng magbumukbang kami ng garlic bread and pizza. Naantay ako ng asawa ko na kakain na kung sino unang mag-bite. So, pala kay Sir Renato Aguinaldo. Sir Renato Aguinaldo, I love you. Ayan. Kay Sis Elmi Moico, kay Tata Wilfredo Erta. Ay, nasa-shoutout ko na pala si Tatay. Kay Watin Official, wak. Thank you. And kay sa misis niya na maganda na si Ma'am Lilian Watin. Thank you so much. Ayan. Maraming salamat po. And sa lahat-lahat, kay GPC, ayan. Yan Pulkaya, miga shout out. And kay Bunso, ano ba yun? Joel De Guzman, ayan. Thank you so much. Ayun. Thank you so much sa pag-support sa channel ko. Thank you so much. And kay Kuya Werdo, and thank you so much. And kay Dinsabel official, thank you, mega shout out to you. And kay Tay Rani, ayan, get well soon po. Naririnig ko kay Ate Au na kaka-opera mo pa lang. So mega shout out to you. Ayan. Magpagaling po kayo. And kay sa mga bago kong mga sa mga bago kong mga naghag sa channel ko, thank you so much po. Ayan. At sa mga dati ko pang mga naghag sa channel ko, mega shoutout. At kay Tumo ko Alpha Pawis, ayan, thank you. Kay May Duray Yarn ko, thank you so much, May Duray. Thank you for always sharing my uploads. Ayan. Thank you so much for always supporting my channel. And I love you. I hope I can meet you one day. Soon. Ayan. At sana mag-meet tayo kasama si Sisikoy Kalods. Kasi taga Cebu naman yan siya. I'm sure na magkalapit lang kayo dyan. Kasi nakikita ko yung mga upload ni Sisikoy dati. At saka yung upload mo is may dyan, may part dyan na nakita ko na in-upload din ni Sisikoy Kalods. And kay mega shoutout din kay sino pa ba yan? Kay Raymond Sanusi, my brother Pugi. Ayan, thank you for always sharing my channel in your community. Thank you so much sa lahat na nag-share. Kay paring Konsi ko, Trivong Arvin, thank you. Kay pag-share mo sa akin, sana manalo po kayo ng pagkakonsihal. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung sa kailan. And shout out din kay sino ba yun? Kakain na. Magaling na talaga. And mega shout out din dyan basta sa lahat-lahat dyan na sa akin. Nagtag ng channel ko hanggang ngayon na hindi nagbago. Maraming salamat sa inyo at mahal ko kayo. Sana bumalik ang dati kong sigla, ang dating saya, at ang dating Cindy na nakilala nyo na nagla-live almost every day. Yun. And sana makuha na natin talaga yung sound. Kasi naka-feeling lang. And sana, promise ko sa inyo na pag nakuha ko na yung nahahabol ang asawa. Ay! May another one! Why?
Because the door is open.
Honey! My goodness. Kausapin mo sila.
What?
Ano ba yung bangaw na yan? Natakot talaga ako. Lumapit kasi sa akin. Diyos ko, alam niyo, ang tagal-tagal kong hindi nakita ang bangaw. Kasi sa Japan, walang bangaw. Ako nakita. Ano lang, yung ganyan, yung marami siyang mga kamay-kamay. Oh my God, pag winter yun at pag summer yun, grabe lumalabas sa opisina namin. Oh! Han! Oo. Hindi ko na alam ang sasabihin ko sa inyo. Diyos ko. And, sana makabalik na talaga ako. And next time, pag nakabalik ako, tuloy-tuloy na. Minsan, pinanalangin ko naman kay Lord, sana makuha na namin yung sahod namin para makashare ako sa inyo kahit konti lang. Kasi promise ko naman yan sa inyo talaga. So, abang-abangan nyo lang mga katumbol. And, so hindi ko na shoutout sa inyo. Kay paring rappers Ariel, mega shoutout to you. And kay Sis Ivy channel, kapatid ni Tropang Junjun, ni paring rappers Ariel, at saka ni Tribong Arvinson Siko, si Ivy channel. Pakahag nyo na lang yung channel niya. Nagbakasyon pala sa Pilipinas, sa Giwalnan. Enjoy sa sa vacation mo. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ka uuwi. Enjoy and keep safe na lang. Ayan. Sana magkita tayo one day. Sinabi ni Tropang Junjun na nung pumayat daw ako, halos magkahawig daw tayo. Kasi tumaba talaga ako ng grabe. Ikaw, minintin mo yung katawan mo. Kaya, you always pretty naman ng sexy. Nakita ko yung mga dati mo mga picture yan. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat pala. And dito na lang, tapusin ko na lang yung upload natin. At sana panoorin nyo hanggang dulo. Please, like, share, and comments nyo, please, mga kachimbori. And, don't forget na mag-thumbs up. Mag-thumbs up kayo. And, say something. Say bye-bye.
Something.
Bye-bye.
I love you all.
Swearing breath. Hindi na mo. Gutom na gutom siya. So, dito na lang mga kachimboli. Bye-bye. I love you. I was excited the garlic and then blah blah blah. I can see only the onions, the red bell pepper, and green bell pepper, and that's it.
The one from thing is a like that, but they put something
I love to
inside.
eat garlic bread rather than pizza. Goodness. You know, 2 by 2. Tinker because they have garlic sauce. If there's no garlic sauce, no taste at all.